Hey, it's archery time on the farm. It's July. We're finally getting time to set up the 3D, and some people have been asking me what it looks like. A lot of the 4-Hers that come out and shoot are asking what the course is going to look like this year, and this is one of the setups. I will change it for the next setup, but in the apple orchard I got 6 targets up, 3 backstop areas. I got the target range up and moving. The kids just came out on Friday night and started whacking at them, which is good. We've got different distances based on their ages. We've got, like I said, the practice range set up at 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. The 50 target there had fallen down. And the kids shoot off the flags, the juniors, intermediates, and seniors. And it's worked out really well that way. Try to run it like, a regular 3D course. I've got some small ones like this rabbit here at the bottom of the screen, which are a little tougher to hit. And then I've got some larger ones that I put out on the gun range, which are a little bit more fun to hit. This year I was able to do 15 targets. That's a wonderful thing because, as many of you know, targets are between $400 and $1,000 for decent targets for 3D archery. And that isn't in my wheelhouse, but I was blessed by the Reinhardt Company. They gave us a break, and yes, they are rejects, but they really did help us out, so kudos to them. The range is set up with mule deer, antelope, bobcat, wolf, wolverine, beaver, rabbit, turkey, bear, hog, and it's been fun to shoot. The backstops are like a nylon type thick fabric that I bought off of Amazon that I punched in a couple grommets in and I put up against T-posts just to try to save some of the kids' arrows. Obviously, the older kids pushing those 60-pound bows can blow through it, but there's nothing behind these areas, so we're still safe, which is good. Here again, this is the longest shot on the farm, which is about 50 yards for the range, and the kids are out shooting it. Anders here did a fantastic job of hitting his mark. And the aerial shot, it looks fun when it's set up. It's enjoyable to shoot. I love doing it for the kids' sake. We need this kind of help and support. We need parents to be involved, and we are in our community, and it's great. This is a good way to get kids out on an archery range when you don't have a professional 3D course in our area. But hey, this works, folks. So if you wanted to see it, here it is. Please like, subscribe, and we'll keep putting out great videos like this.